Today is Wednesday, March 8th. This is the 1975-1976 Cadillac Eldorado brake assist hydro booster. This unit is the hydraulic actuating variant as opposed to the vacuum-based booster that was used in the predecessor years. Generally, the unit comes equipped with the master cylinder, okay? But in this particular case, it's going to my friend Gary Lux, and it's just the hydro booster unit. The unit has been completely disassembled, cleaned, all of the internal components calibrated and replaced, okay? And this is a fully reconditioned, show quality, rebuilt unit. And this will be going to my friend Gary as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. Again, this is the 1975-1976 Cadillac Eldorado hydraulic variant hydro booster brake assist system that works in conjunction with the master cylinder, which is not included but is a separate ancillary item. And you can see how the mating surfaces of the master cylinder correspond to the mating surface of the Hydroboost, with the plunger pin and the moraine styled plunger. Okay, so this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorado and over 250,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. Today is Wednesday, March 8th. Thank you very kindly.